Hey everybody, Adam here and welcome back to another episode of the Dad of All Trades channel. Today we are doing a mid-season little review real quick, kind of a quick video. This is my first year having the big inflatables, the Santa here and the AT-AT. I love them, they look good, but they require some work, some maintenance. You know, you got to keep on them. I guess we can start first with Santa here. He's not that bad. He lays down over my sidewalk all the time. Sorry about my fingers in the camera. I'm on my cell phone. I'm sure y'all could tell. But he lays down over the sidewalk. He doesn't go straight down. I think when you turn him off, he kind of loses at his knees and just falls over. So I may try to come up with a way to pull him back down. I don't know if a weight or something on the back would help or something like that. I don't know. So this poor little pig here is he's in rough shape pretty often. Whatever, because Santa lays over top of it all the time, and when he lays over, he's still full of air, so it's pretty heavy on this poor little old pig. And then the poor little pig tries to inflate before Santa. I could move it, but it's kind of symmetrical. So, sorry, little pig. But Santa, like I said, he's not too bad. I had some wind the other day, apparently. His base became undone. It's not really stuck down, I don't think, anymore. I have to get under there during the day. I've just been working a lot. Santa has a moth on his forehead. But his strings are still pretty tight. I may need to snug them up a little bit more. Like this one's in the bush. So he needs some adjusting, a little more maintenance. I mainly started this video because this Daggum AT-AT here. This thing is not for the faint of heart. If you just want to put up some inflatables and leave them for the season, he's not the one you want. I think one of his main problems is he's so top heavy. He's really very heavy up top. These legs, the stakes they give you are so inadequate. They're tiny little stakes. Now the stakes for the four corners are those big gray ones, the hard plastic ones with like teeth, and they grip pretty good. I have not had problems with those, but the stakes in his feet are nothing. I've got to get better stakes. His feet are constantly coming undone. Now when he deflates, it lays out on my sidewalk here, you know, all the way out over here, which I don't like. You know, somebody's delivering something during the day. I don't want to have to walk around my stuff. But hopefully we don't order too much junk from Amazon. But yeah, his feet, like if he blows over or whatever, they come unstaked all the time. So I'm out here all the time having to readjust them. I just retightened them. I'm thinking maybe keeping him under tension or more tension with these strings constantly. I know he's kind of got a lean to him right now. Like I said, I did just readjust him, but it's better. Hopefully he should come right back up though. Said these other guys I don't touch. Santa, the gingerbread, Frosty, Rudolph, or whoever that one is. He doesn't have a red nose. Who are you? Yeah, I don't know. Well, that's kind of my mid-season review a little bit. You know, just be ready to do a little maintenance. You got to keep up on them. This guy, he's a lot of maintenance. It is what it is. Very top heavy. And I recommend getting bigger and better stakes for his feet. I have not done it yet, but next time I get around to Walmart and get through the camping section, I'm gonna get some bigger tent stakes. So guys, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for all the views on my other inflatable stuff that I have, where I reviewed the Santa here and I reviewed this. If you like those, you know, thanks for watching them. If you haven't seen them, you know, go to the I got a playlist put up for just my Christmas inflatables, so you can watch everything I've put up for those. But guys, tons of likes, subscribes from those videos, and I really appreciate it. I'd love to get to 1,000 subscribers like everybody on YouTube, but you know, I just really appreciate it. I hope you like, share, subscribe, follow on Instagram. On Instagram, I'm the official Dad of All Trades. I've got a TikTok set up, the real Dad of All Trades, because somebody has the Dad of All Trades. So you got to do what you got to do. Y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe, like I said. And thank you so much. And we will see you next time, guys.